I've been covering portable monitors on this channel for quite a long time, a little bit because of my obsession over compact ITX gaming PCs and the idea of a travel gaming setup which you can literally put in a backpack and go around, but also because I saw how that technology was very interesting, especially 4 to 5 years ago when these first came out. The fact that they had an integrated stand, you could have an extra monitor which you could pull out or just put back in as fast as you wanted, but also to extend your laptop and just to do a lot of things, was very appealing to me. However, objectively, all those things were pretty niche. If you were traveling and for some reason you didn't want to use a laptop, then yeah, they made sense. Or if you were traveling and if you wanted a better monitor, then yes, they made sense. As an addition to your regular setup, it was, again, very niche. Let's say you had a desk with not too much space and you wanted to free it up when needed, then they could make sense. Or if you needed a screen like here and you had your monitors here, then I can see why that would work, and it's what I've done for a while. But in general, they weren't really ready to be mass adopted. However, nowadays, things are changing, and this brand, who I've been using for a long time, UPERFECT, released this that you're seeing here. Now, this is actually not the form in which the monitor is sold, but let's start from the beginning, okay? What is this? This is the UPERFECT UMax 27, codename ZX27BU, and it's a 27-inch portable monitor with an included stand on which you can then mount this stand, which UPERFECT also sells for relatively cheap on the website, because this is VESA compatible. So you can actually mount this on this stand, but on any stand you want, which is VESA compatible. You can mount this on your wall, you can rotate this, use it as a vertical monitor, or just keep it portable. And VESA just requires 4 screws, so it's very easy to plug in and out. And you could also use this as your main monitor, which when you go on vacation, you dismount and use with the actual portable stand on vacation. Because all of this, yes, it's 27-inch, but still fits inside a moderately large backpack. It is still carryable. You're not going to be able to put this in your backpack, but you can carry this around if you want for a long vacation. And why you should do that is because of the crazy spec that this panel is, and also crazy spec for the price, because this sells for $699 full price. But wait, UPERFECT always has discount on the website. So if you use the right coupon, you're going to pay a lot less for this. It's still a high-end monitor, but listen to the spec, okay? This has 100% sRGB, 10-bit image quality, all while packing a 4K 144Hz display, which with one button switches to 1080p 288Hz display. So this literally goes from 4K professional grade photo editing monitor, because the image quality is insane. I have no way of actually showing it to you guys on camera, but it's one of the best I've seen. It's the same as professional LG panels, basically. From that to the 4K 144Hz gaming monitor, so you can play, for example, AAA titles, maximum details at 144Hz, and then with one click, you can actually play competitively because it scales very well, better than, okay, I'll get to it in a second, because dual mode monitors generally are a bad idea, but this is so good. But with one click, you can play at 1080p competitively, Apex Legends, Warzone, Fortnite, and just win. And 27-inch is the perfect size. It's a little bit small for 4K, yes. Usually it's a 1440p monitor. That means that at 4K, this has crazy resolution. It's a little bit big for 1080p, but still good for competitive. And for work, this is great. Now, speaking about dual mode, okay, I've been very open on the channel about how I think it's a technology that's not quite ready yet. Because most monitors with dual mode, they don't do any of the two things well. The best one I've had so far was an LC Power monitor, which was good, but it was very gaming oriented and the image quality wasn't the best. So in the end, yes, you could play at 4K or you could play at 1080p, but you couldn't really do work, professional work on it, because I also do a lot of photo editing, video editing, and I need a good monitor, and that was not it. This is it. And it's a portable monitor, which is the crazy part. And I just really like what the brand is doing. This also does not have the usual power adapter, a huge power adapter. I don't know why they still use them with most monitors. This is low power, 65 watts, powered by a single USB-C with the adapter they give you. And then you can connect it to your monitor via USB-C, HDMI, or DisplayPort. And it works the same. You can use it with your console, you can use it with your PC. And you can also dock it. So what we have here, still from UPERFECT, is the UPERFECT Power X3. It's a hub to switch between monitors, where you can extend your image for 3 monitors, but also you can just switch in between the monitors. And with an accessory like this, even more, this can be one of the 3 monitors you have in your main setup. Then you dismount it, leave this plugged, go on vacation, come back, plug this in, and just switch seamlessly between the various devices. Portable monitors have a relatively bad reputation because there are a lot of off-brands making terrible products. I've tried a few, and the UI is bad, they don't quite work well, you don't understand how to plug them in. They make you think you can use a single cable, but in the end you need 2, and the image quality is not really the same depending on your input style. This works. And also it has a lot of buttons on the side, jack for your headphones if you want included. You can adjust the volume. It even has FreeSync. You can change a lot of image qualities, but all you need is just to switch the mode really and to enable FreeSync if you have an AMD GPU, like I have in this build hidden behind here with an RX and 70 XT, and you're good to go. This is incredibly smooth, and I think portable monitors are going to become the norm, because I could definitely see brands starting to sell just the panels, and then just we all use VESA mounting, and we buy our own stands, so when we upgrade, we just upgrade the panel and not the stand. It also would reduce waste. But this UPERFECT UMax 27, fully recommended, and I'll be using it from now on for traveling if I go far enough or for a long enough time frame where I need a big monitor, and also in my setup, because the image quality is what sold me on it. It's very good for gaming, but image quality is crazy. And with that said, however, if you had any kind of bad experience especially, please drop a comment down below so we can warn the other people. I also update my videos if over time I have a bad experience with a product. And with that said, if you watched the video this far, drop a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one. You can also now become a member to support the channel. Bye bye.